I'm your Mr. Professional Hacker, and today topic is sniffing and spoofing. Understand? I will show you. Today this is our lecture, and our lecture is a WireShark. And how to open this? Just click on it, then working is started. Okay. Network tool WireShark. We will start with some theory and then dive into the complete practical demonstration. First step I need to do, just send the link in my page and group. So a little wait please. Here is, I type this one, WireShark. Spoofing tool, English lecture is started. Join to me now. So please little wait. Request to all persons. Here is actually a WireShark interface. Okay, you can use this tool both ways. You can use this tool directly, and also you can use this tool by using command line system. And here is, I will tell you some, because it is not working well, and that's why I will show you. uh, Today we will do working with command line, and the next lecture I will make on direct, how to use directly and how to download in window and then how to use in window. Okay, but almost two lecture given to you with command line, and then given to you with directly how to use WireShark tool, because this tool is a very powerful tool, worldwide usable tool, and you can get a lot of information by using this tool from network, okay, from your IP address. So let's start our practical session. First step is, what is WireShark? WireShark is a network protocol analyzer used for capturing and analyzing data packets transmitted over a network in real time. It is a free and open source tool widely used by network administrators, cybersecurity professionals, and developers for troubleshooting, network analysis, and security investigations. Okay, how does works? Packet capture. WireShark capture raw data packets as they travel through a network interface. It works in promiscuous mode, meaning it can capture all traffic visible to the network interface and network interface card, not just the traffic intended for the host machine. Number second, packet analyze. It allows user to inspect each packet in detail, including headers, payloads, and protocols used, such as a TCP, UDP, HTTP, etc. WireShark organizes this data into an easy to read format. Number third, filtering and searching. Users can apply filters to focus on specific types of traffic, protocols, or even specific source destinations, IP addresses, making it easier to diagnose network problems or analyze security events. Data export. Captured data can be saved and exported for further analysis or documentation mechanisms by visualizing real-time data flows. Okay. Next step is practical scenarios where WireShark is used. Okay, now because these all information is very important. Okay, first step is detecting malware traffic. Identify unusual patterns or known malicious signatures in network traffic. Debugging applications. Analyze how an application communicates over a network. Number third, identifying network bottlenecks. Locate devices or applications causing showdowns. Number fourth, capture passwords in insecure protocols. Identify credentials sent over non-encrypted channels for ethical hacking and education. Okay, now this tool actually a very important. Okay, so here is almost 3% joined to me now, and now I start our practical session because this is a very important tool. So I told to everyone, please join to this lecture must and take this lecture must live. So our first command is interface command, specifies the network interface to capture packets from. First step, if you want to see all commands about WireShark, and I told you before, you can use this tool by using both ways. You can use this tool by using command line. These all commands available in this. Okay, and if you don't want to use by using command, then you can use directly open by using open, and you can use also in your Windows system. You can download directly in your window and you can use. I will tell you upcoming lectures how to do these things, but now we will start our command line. Okay, first step is here you just type Tshark. Okay, Tshark also same like WireShark. Here you just type ETH0. My internet interface actually ETH0, but you type your interface. You type according to your interface. If your interface is LAN 0, then you type here LAN 0. If your interface is any other name of your interface, then you type here your interface. Here you just type, and when you type this one command, it start complete traffic capturing. Okay, now here is start capturing on my IP address. It's capture complete detail, how much devices connected on this, how much traffic coming on my IP address, and where are from. Okay, these all information it showed you in front of you by using this command. And also if you open directly, then it showed you same things, but here is it's does working some slow, but if you directly use in your Windows system, then working is it showed you result fastly and you can see complete result. And how to do this I will tell you in upcoming lectures. Okay, so here is clear our terminal. Our first command is actually about the interface. Okay, next command is capture filters. Applies a capture filter in libcap filter syntax, filtering specific IPs, ports or protocols. Here you just type a Tshark. Okay, then type here -i, then type here ETH0. Okay, then type here -f, then type here dual comma TCP. Okay, then type here port 80 and dual commas. Now hit enter. Now it start capturing on port 80. Okay, my interface is 0 and now it start capturing on my port and start the capturing on my port. So it takes some time, it takes some minutes here. Okay, so I don't have enough time because a lot of commands are pending and we need to conclude our lecture practically and conclude our lecture early. Okay, so let's move on. Next command is capture only HTTP. Okay, 80 port is actually TCP port. Okay, but capture only HTTP TCP port traffic. Understand? Let's move on next step. Sets the minimum number of bytes captures for each packet. Here I type Tshark. Okay, then you type here -I, and then you type here ETH0, and then you type here -S. Okay, then you type here 1 2 3. Here I want actually a 128 byte uh, capture only the first 128 bytes of each packet. Okay, now cut and let's move on next. Next command is captures only packets sent to from the host, does not capture all visible packets on the network. Here you type Tshark, then you type here -I, then you type here ETH0, and then you type here -P. Hit enter. Now again capturing is starting. Captures packet in non-promiscuous mode. Now here is it start capturing in non-promiscuous mode. Okay, let's cut here about it here. You need to you have a PC. Okay, so you need to do on your system and you need to do complete practical. I told you again, this tool is a very powerful and wonderful tool when usable in worldwide and used in everywhere in the world. Okay, so let's move on next command. Specify the kernel buffer size for capturing packet. Here you type Tshark. Okay, then you type here -I ETH0, and then you type here -B capital, then you type here 4 MB 4 MB, type here capital. Okay, hit enter. Now actually user uses a 4 MB buffer for packet capture. Now here is uses a 4 MB. It say what he say, the specified buffer size 4 MB is not a decimal number. That's why it's not showed in front of you. Okay, so if you type here just a simple 4, then maybe it's working. Little wait. Now we check and hit here. Okay, now actually it started. But if you type MB with this, then it's not working. It showed you error. If you just type a simple 4, then it's start capturing and showed you data in front of you after some minutes. Okay, now let's move on. Next command is sets the link layer type Ethernet like PP. Okay, here you type Tshark, then you type here -I, then you type here ETH0, and then you type here -Y, and then you type here EN10 and type here MB. Now we check it's working or not. Hit enter. Okay, now capturing is started. Captures packet with the Ethernet link layer. Now it's start capturing with the Ethernet link layer. So it's take some time, it's take some minute, maybe it's take 10 to 20 minutes. So we don't have enough time. Okay, and again I said I gave you live lecture, please take live class. Okay, let's move on. Next command is specifies the timestamp type, host or hardware based. Here you type just a Tshark, then type here -I, hit enter. Okay, just type a simple thing here, Tshark -time, time, then type here -stamp. Okay, then again type here -type, then again type here adapter, then again type here hyphen, then type here un, just wait, unsign, okay, type here synced, now hit enter. Okay, now capturing is started. Displays available interfaces, sorry, something wrong here. Okay, specifies the timestamp type, host or hardware based. Capturing is started. After complete capturing, it showed you whole result what he get. Okay, so clear our terminal. Let's move on. Next command is interface and metadata options. Okay, next portion is started. Lists all available network interfaces and exists. Just type here Tshark. Okay, sorry, Tshark -d. Sorry, -d. Okay, now here you check all detail about network. H0, any loopback, Bluetooth monitor, NF log, NF. It's mean displays available interfaces with their indices. Okay, actually it's provide you complete detail about network interfaces when are exists or when are new. Okay, complete interfaces it's provide you, new and old both. Okay, next step is lists link layer types for the specified interface and exits. Just type here Tshark and type here -i, then type here ETH0, okay, then type here -l. Hit enter. Now what he says here, displays supported link layer types for ETH0, supported link, Ethernet and DOCSIS. Okay, showed you complete detail about this command. Okay, next step is lists available timestamps types for the specified interface. Here you just type Tshark, then type here -i, then type here ETH0, and then type here -list. Okay, list -time, then type -stamp, and then type -types. Okay, lists available timestamps types for the specified interface. Now hit enter, and now it start timestamp types of interface, use option -time stamp type to set host. There is, I think, nothing have any detail, and it showed just time -. I think here is some command difference. Sure, there's some command difference actually. Okay, let's type some different command, no problem. Just type here -time, okay, and type here stamp, and then type here type, hit enter. Now we check. Okay, now here is actually provide a complete commands. Okay, not working according to command. So here is actually it showed complete command. Okay, no problem. Maybe something is different in commands, and configuration file is maybe different in this. Okay, but actually command is this. Okay, let's move on. Next step, capture displays option. Okay, starts capturing packets immediately without waiting for user input. Here you just type Tshark and then type here -i, and then type here eth0, okay, then type here -k, hit enter. Now again it show complete commands. It's mean it's not working with command, and maybe here is command is different. So you can check from this. Where is this command available? Okay, here is you need to check this command. If available, then good. Actually here is this command not available right now, I think not available, but if available then we check how to use this command -k. No, -k is not available in this, but okay, no problem, we don't waste our time on this. It's cover in next lecture. Okay, next step is updates the packet display as new packets arrive. Here you just type Tshark, type here -i, then type here eth0, then type here -S, hit enter. Now again showed some actually these command, I think here I check fs, no, here is actually a small f, okay, here is actually a small f, clear Tshark, then type here -i, eth0, then type here -s, hit enter. Okay, no problem. What he say about this command? Here you see -s, it's mean snapshot length, okay, snap length and slap length. Packet snapshot length appropriate maximum. That's why it's not working here, because it's working in app. Sorry, it's working in WireShark if you open directly. So some commands are not working here and some command is working here, okay. Sets the interval between packet display and update, okay. Here you type Tshark -i, hit enter, type here -s, sorry, -s, type here -update, update -interval, then type here 200. Now hit enter. Okay, now the specified snapshot length is not a decimal number, so that's why it's not working. Here actually maybe here is we type command something wrong here, maybe something type wrong command here, but again we type command and then copy this one, hit enter, space, no, here is just wait please, space, oh no man, space, now hit enter. No, it's not working, and now I don't type here actually numbering, so that's why again mistake. Here you just type 200, now hit enter. Now it's not working. The specified snapshot length, actually by using this command you don't take snapshot length, okay, that's why it's not working rightly. I told you some commands are working and some commands are not working in this, because some command just used in when you open it directly, okay. So let's move on. Next command is Tshark enable automatic scrolling when using. Here you just type Tshark -i and then type eth0, and type here -s and then type here 1. I hope it's working. If not working, then I don't know why. No, it's not decimal. And then type here Tshark hyphen I ETH 0 hyphen S, and type here -1. Enter. No, negative number. It's already negative number. It's mean again something wrong here. This command are actually not working right now because how much time to goes? 25 minutes is goes actually. Okay, no problem. Capture stop conditions. Some command actually available right now, but almost our command are done. Okay, so next step, just wait please. Now I add more scene here for you, then I will tell you how it's working. Add scene. Please wait, because I want to do something in front of you. So just little wait please. Here actually our command is completed. Commands are completed, and now start next lecture. I will tell you complete detail how to use directly and how to work directly and how to sniff by using WireShark. Okay, because this is a very important tool. So do subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment on my video, and watch complete video, do practical. I will